Wojak animations are one of the most relatable storytelling niches on YouTube. They turn everyday situations into simple animated stories that almost anyone can recognize. And when you look at these videos online, you'll see many of them are getting millions of views. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create these Wojak animations yourself. Type AI Centuries. Open our website, then head over to the GPT library. From there, search for the Wojak Scene Generator, and once you see it, click here and start a chat. By doing so, you'll be redirected straight to the GPT. For the topic of this video, let's go for a day in the life of a McDonald's employee. Now to get started, here, right at the top, it will ask whether the scene should be created for a male or a female character. In this example, we'll go with a male character. Next, the GPT will ask if the scene includes any bystanders. In this case, we'll answer yes. After that, it will ask whether you want to upload a reference image or describe the scene yourself. Let's describe it ourselves and type something like, Wojak is working at the McDonald's drive-thru. As we move on, the GPT will ask if there is a second main character involved in the scene. For this example, let's answer yes. Then, it will ask for the gender of the second character. In this case, we'll choose male. After you provide this information, the GPT will generate 2 prompts. Once that's done, copy prompt A and head over to OpenArt. Go to Image. Make sure Nano Banana 2 is selected as the image model. Then upload your reference characters and attach them as references. We've also created a full library with all the avatars used in the Wojak series, and you'll find the link in the description below. So now paste in the prompt that we just copied, and for the main character tag Wojak, for the second character tag his friend, and for the bystanders tag the NPC. Then scroll down, set the ratio to 16:9, put the resolution to 2K, go for 4 images and generate the scenes. Once it's done, you'll have a set of scenes showing Wojak working at the drive-thru with his friend, while NPC customers wait in the car as bystanders. For the next scenes, start a new chat. Choose male again, and this time, select no bystanders. Now describe the scene. For example, you can type, Wojak working at McDonald's and mopping the floor. This time, don't include a second character. Wait for the GPT to generate the prompts, then copy them. Go back to OpenArt, select only Wojak as the reference image, paste in the prompt, tag him, and generate the scenes. Once it's done, you'll have a new set of images showing Wojak mopping the floor. Using this same method, you can create multiple scenes that tell a full story. For example, Wojak flipping burgers and making fries, serving customers in the restaurant, and even getting yelled at by his boss. After generating all your scenes, you can turn them into a complete story by animating them with Seedance 2. To animate your images, you can use the GPT model you see here. To begin, click Start. The GPT will ask for a few details about your scene, what should happen, whether the characters are talking, how many shots you want, and the total duration. So first upload your reference image, then enter your prompt. For example, Wojak is handing a McDonald's bag to a customer. It's a single shot, and the duration is 5 seconds. Once you proceed, the GPT will generate a video prompt for you. Copy that prompt, then go back to OpenArt and click Video. Set the model to Seedance 2, upload your image as the start frame, and paste in the prompt. Scroll down, set the resolution to 1080p, and generate the video. Once it's done, you'll have a smooth animation where Wojak hands the bag to the customer and the driver reaching out to take it. Finally, if you want to spice up your animations even more, you can use Fish Audio to generate voices for your Wojak characters. We created voices for different types, like the Wojak Girl, the Boomer, the Wojak Kid, the Zoomer, and of course, Wojak himself. And that's it. By following this exact method, you can start creating cool, engaging Wojak animations yourself. Here's our result.
Hello, sir. Can I please have your order?
Here we go again.
Work harder and faster. Customers are waiting in line. If you can't do that, go clean the toilets instead.
If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.